In this video, we'll cover how to exclude a country in Google Ads location targeting. Excluding countries is a critical strategy to refine your audience, optimize your budget, and comply with regional regulations. As of December 2025, this process is enhanced with AI and driven by privacy considerations. We'll walk you through the steps and discuss best practices for effective implementation. Excluding countries can significantly improve your Google Ads performance. The primary benefit is preventing your ads from appearing to irrelevant audiences in regions where your products or services simply don't apply. Another key advantage is reducing wasted ad spend. By excluding countries where your offerings aren't viable, you avoid spending money on clicks and impressions that won't convert into sales. Excluding countries also helps ensure compliance with local laws and regulations, such as GDPR 2.0 in the European Union. This protects your campaigns from legal issues and maintains good standing with global advertising standards. Additionally, exclusions allow you to focus your advertising budget on high-potential markets where you have the best chance of success, maximizing your return on investment. Overall, advertisers report significant cost savings from precise country exclusions, with many seeing a 10 to 20% reduction in their ad spend while maintaining or even improving campaign effectiveness. First, navigate to your campaign settings within Google Ads. This is where you'll find all the options to customize your ad campaigns. Then, select Locations from the Campaign Settings menu. This section controls where your ads will appear geographically. Click on Add Exclusions to begin specifying which locations to exclude from your campaign. Search for the country you want to exclude, such as United States, and select it from the results. Exclusions can be applied at the account level, affecting all campaigns, or at the campaign or ad group level for more targeted control. Remember that exclusions are immediate, but may take up to 24 hours to fully propagate across Google's global infrastructure. Google Ads location targeting allows you to include or exclude geographic areas, from continents to zip codes. When excluding, remember that exclusions take precedence over inclusions. Google uses IP addresses, GPS data, and user profiles with consent to determine location. Excluding high-cost countries can reduce your spend by 20 to 30%. Combine exclusions with other settings like language targeting for optimal results. Google's Smart Location Targeting, introduced in mid-2024, uses artificial intelligence to predict user intent and dynamically exclude regions based on events like trade sanctions. This AI-powered system analyzes search patterns and real-time data to automatically adjust your location exclusions, ensuring your ads reach the right audiences while avoiding restricted areas. Following the EU's Digital Markets Act enforcement in 2025, Google Ads now requires explicit user consent for location data tracking. This regulation ensures that advertisers respect privacy laws and only collect data with user permission, particularly important when targeting or excluding European countries. To integrate privacy into your exclusion strategies, use Google's Consent Mode v2. This tool anonymizes location data in restricted regions, allowing you to maintain effective targeting while complying with privacy regulations. It automatically adjusts data collection based on user consent, ensuring your campaigns remain compliant and effective. Several trends are shaping Google Ads location targeting. Granular targeting is increasing, moving from country-level to hyperlocal exclusions like cities or neighborhoods. Privacy-driven shifts are leading to more manual exclusions, as regulations like GDPR require careful consent management. Global economic and geopolitical factors are also influential, with increased exclusions for countries facing sanctions or political instability. Expect deeper AI integration in the future, allowing predictive exclusions based on economic data and campaign goals. Sustainability targeting may also emerge, allowing exclusions for regions with poor environmental policies, aligning with ethical AI and global trade dynamics. Let's examine real-world examples of effective country exclusions in Google Ads. An e-commerce retailer selling consumer electronics faced high return rates in certain markets. By analyzing their data, they discovered that China and India had return rates around 11%, compared to lower rates in other regions. By excluding China and India from their campaigns, this retailer achieved an 18% reduction in cost per acquisition and a 15% improvement in return on ad spend. This strategic decision optimized their budget and focused resources on more profitable markets. Another powerful example comes from a SaaS company providing software solutions. They needed to comply with strict GDPR regulations in the European Union, which would have increased their operational complexity and costs. By excluding the EU from their ad targeting and focusing on North America and other compliant regions, this company saw a 25% increase in qualified leads. The exclusions allowed them to streamline their compliance efforts while directing ads to audiences more likely to convert. These case studies demonstrate how strategic country exclusions in Google Ads can lead to significant improvements in efficiency, compliance, and overall business performance. Experts emphasize that excluding countries isn't just about geography, but about aligning with legal and cultural norms. Always test exclusions to avoid overfiltering. Be proactive in using exclusions for budget control. Avoid over-excluding, which can limit reach. Stay updated with Google's official resources and guidelines to ensure compliance. Remember to monitor your campaign performance after implementing exclusions to gauge their impact.